Welcome back, guys. We got a monster new build. It's a 2019 Mercedes GLE. It's got major damage. Well, to most people. Salvage Nation, we got it. It's light work, non-runner, and as you can see, it's on the ramp. But to get it here was a massive headache. As soon as you get into any sort of accidents, any sort of damage, all these electronics, they tend to shut down. So I'm looking for a pyro fuse, I'm looking for crash data, and I'm not finding anything so far. And I just want it out here. I want to get started.
It's definitely got a ghost. If you scan it, I don't know what machine you're using to scan it, but just look at.
All right, bro. Thank you for that help, man. Yeah, you've pointed me in the right direction. Thank you. Got him! If you're watching this and you've heard the term ghost immobilizer and you don't know what it looks like, that's all it is. That right there, guys, is a ghost immobilizer. And now it's time to deactivate it and see if this GLE is gonna start. So now we've finally got the car running, we can actually start with the rebuilding process. We will be changing that out for a new one. But have a look at this, it's spitting water, so you can tell that it's been sat for a while. Just had to be difficult. That's actually welded on. It's from behind. Silly me, who would have known? Okay, that's the end of that. As you can see, that's the cooling fan. And now that it's not chafing, it's actually working. So guys, we're using a like for like. Don't want to get them mixed up. Go and start her up, please. Boys, she feels, oh, so good.